Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you go to this settings application, and here go to the sound section. Right now you can see the media, call, ring notification and alarm volumes. You can change the volumes by swiping with your finger to the left or to the right side, these dots. Also we get here the vibration for calls. You can turn on or turn off the vibration. We get also here the multi-volume audio effects section. The don't disturb mode, you can turn it on or turn it off. If you want, you can just change some settings for the don't disturb mode. Also we got here the phone ringtone, the notification and alarm sounds. You can change them if you want. For example, you can change the alarm sound. Just here tap on the on the sound what you prefer. Also you can add the new alarm, your custom alarm sound. So we got here the dial pad tone switcher. Now it's turned on, and if you call for example to someone, you just can hear your dial pad tones. Also got here the screen locking sound. When you just will lock or unlock your screen, you'll hear the sound like this. The charging sound and vibration. Also when you will just charge your phone, you'll hear the sound. The touch sounds, just when you, as can you hear when you will just open the application or just touch your screen, you'll hear the touch sounds. And so also we get here the silence, the power on sounds. For example, when you just power on your phone, you will hear the greeting sound. And the touch vibration, for example, when you will just hear tap somewhere on our screen, we'll just hear the vibration. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.